This was the original 50 amp plug off of my RV, and I had had a problem with it pulling away from the plug. I had taped it very aggressively and finally just decided I was just going to replace the entire cable. I just didn't trust this. I didn't trust the idea of just replacing the plug, although I probably could have just replaced the plug, but you know, I just didn't want to take the chance. So it's a very inexpensive project. I ordered a new 50 amp 8 AWG plug and our cable, power cable, and I have a friend that's an electrician, and he came out to my RV and replaced it on my RV. It had to be hardwired into my RV. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that you know, this was working. I didn't have any shorts, but I was afraid it was going to eventually short out. So I'll show you the new project. So here you see the replacement plug, cable, and everything. And of course, the cable had to be hardwired into this box, and then of course the plug fits here. The only problem I think that would have helped a lot is if this box, this plug box for the generator, had have been mounted up higher, you wouldn't have had this crink in the cable down here at the bottom. And I think through the months of plugging it in and plugging it out, that it causes it to bend at that point and begin to tear away. So anyway, that was a replacement. It was like $120 for a 25-foot brand new 50 amp capable cable. I think I ordered it on Amazon and got it from Amazon, and it had it installed. So, you know, pretty easy process. I probably could have wired it myself up here in this box. All it is some heavy-duty twist-its that you twist the wires together with and then tape it radically with electrical tape. And I think I probably could have done it myself, but I had a friend that was a licensed electrician, and I just felt more comfortable with him actually doing it. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and I'm hoping this cable will last a long time. Have a great day.